Hey guys, welcome back. Today I have a recipe of eggless fudgy brownies for you guys, and they're super easy to make. So all you need is flax egg instead of eggs for this recipe. So how you make flax egg is you add 3 tablespoons of ground flax seeds and add 9 tablespoons of water. So this is a substitute for 3 eggs. So if you divide this by 3, that's the substitute you get for 1 egg. So you mix it and keep it aside for 10 minutes and your flax egg is ready. Then you need 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 85 grams of butter, this is unsalted butter, a half a cup of flour, and 1 tablespoon of coffee decoction. And lastly, the main ingredient, that is chocolate. I'm using Morde chocolate. It's the D45 dark chocolate. So to start off, you're gonna melt the chocolate and the butter together on a double boiler. So you'll keep a vessel below on the gas stove and you'll boil around 1 or 2 inches of water and add another bowl, heat-proof bowl, with the chocolate and butter inside of it, and you're gonna melt it completely. Make sure that the heat is not on a high flame. You need to keep it on a low flame and melt it. It's going to melt eventually. It'll take some time, so you need to be patient with this process. Then you're going to take it off of the heat and take a clean cloth and clean the bowl properly, all the condensation that is collected below. Then I'm gonna add sugar. Start off by adding little by little. This way the sugar will also melt and dissolve into the chocolate and butter mixture. So keep mixing it. All you need is a whisk or a wooden spoon for this recipe. You don't need any fancy whisker or beater for this recipe. Brownies are really easy to make and I totally love this. In case that you want to make, if you're a non-vegetarian and you're ready to eat eggs, then I would recommend you to add eggs in this recipe instead of the flax egg. I felt that the texture was much better than the eggless one, but nevertheless the eggless version is also really yummy, so you can try that one out as well. So then after the sugar was melted and dissolved completely, I added the coffee decoction, and now I'm gonna add the flax egg. It might take a while to mix the flax egg into the mixture, but keep mixing it till it's incorporated completely. Once the wet ingredients have been added, now we're going to move on to the dry ingredients. So I'm going to take a sift and keep it on top of the bowl, add the cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, the flour, and then I'm going to sift it into the mixture. Always sift your dry ingredients. I say this in every video, but yes, it is so important because I have not sifted in my dry ingredients once and it turned out to be so lumpy. So I'm telling you, you guys need to sift the flour or any dry ingredient that you're going to use. It's not a big task. You just need to keep a sift on top of it. So yeah, always sift your dry ingredients, and then you're going to take a spatula and mix in the ingredients together, and your brownie batter is now ready. Now if you want to add anything extra like walnuts or any dry fruits or M&Ms, gems, chocolate, extra chocolate, you can add all of that in right now and mix it in. I added a little bit of chocolate chips that I had left, so I added that in and I mixed it, and now I'm going to transfer the batter into a square tin. This is a 7.5 inch tin, and I think that's a perfect tin to use for this recipe. It'll give you the right size of the brownies. I then bake these in the oven for around 35 to 40 minutes, and your brownies are ready. You can take it out of the tin and let it cool for a while, because it might be really soft when it's hot. So let it cool and then you can cut it into pieces and have it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do try this recipe, and if you do, send me photos. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel, and also like and comment down below if this video was helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Bye.